Greetings and welcome to WildFins Training. Today we're going to talk about the cetacean exam form, which will be under this new section in your main menu under stranding. Before we go into that, you'll have some fields such as stranding type that are new, and same with veterinarian, that will be in master data under stranding and veterinarian. So you'll see stranding event, your drugs, veterinarian, and biopsies. So when you get to one of those on the form, you'll just come in here and add whatever those covariates are that you have. So let's get to it. So you'll notice the look and functionality is fairly similar to what you've been using with your citing form. So let's just put one in. So we just selected today's date. We'll just do some times, field number. We can just, put these in as tests. We'll say it's HBOI. Team members, all this is the same as what you guys are used to. I'm going to come back to species. You see that you have all your different species in here. Actually, why don't we just talk about that now? So when you select a certain species, your morphometrics diagram and section is going to coincide with which species you chose. So you see here you have the diagram of the bottlenose dolphin. And then let's just pick a couple others. So we want to go to Koja because they have more girths. So here's your diagram of the Koja with their additional girths here. And then we'll just show one other. Let's do the melon-headed. You see your melon-headed comes in. Okay, so back here, if we select what type of stranding type, and of course your Noah stock. So if it's a species that you have known animals, those will populate here. So these are all of the test bottlenose. So then we select that, and you'll see that this here will fill in. If you don't have a code, you just put that in. Then you can go and select. He probably wasn't a neonate. Let's make him a juvie. And then you just add information here. Same as you have to verify. Now you have this county, your condition codes. So this animal obviously was alive. Animal is a test. Heart rate, respiratory rate, you're going to add. Okay, so let's say his heart rate was 100 beats a minute, and you took that at 13. Well, we ended this at 13. Let's just say you took that, sure, at 11. And you can do that as many times as you want, and you'll get this little table. Respiratory rate, let's say he took 5 breaths, and again, you did that at 11. And that adds that there. So again, if you took that again, the resp rate at like 11:15, and it was 10, you would add new, and you see your table expands. Here is for your EKG and ultrasound, mucous membrane, and your cap refill time. For drugs, again, we just have a test in here. So let's say you administered the drug at 11 also, and you gave him 100 milliliters, and we'll add that, and that populates a table down there. Samples taken, again, pretty straightforward here. And then how much blood you took, and another notes section. Biopsy, where on the body and how big. And you'll get another table here. This is the exact same form as you have in your citing form. So you select your body condition and then any specifics say the head was kind of depressed and the ribs were slightly exposed. Lesions, same. If you have lesions, it's the same here. And we'll say that's healing. Add the new lesion. Again, you get the table. Any notes here that you want in these specific physical exam areas. And then if you needed to add a new section. Morphometrics we talked about. You fill in based on your diagram, whether or not the animal is entangled, etc. If it was released, the lat long there, and any description, and then where you're going to go next. So we'll just save that guy. And then if you wanted to look at it, it's all here for you to then review, similar again to your citing form. Hope this helps and have a good day. Any questions? We're here. Bye.